welcome back. Well, I think today I'm going to start cleaning the interior. Last night I vacuumed out the trunk and vacuumed out the carpet on the inside. So what I'm going to do right now is I've got some water and some scrubbing bubbles. I'm going to go wipe down all the plastics, pull this back, probably clean all this stuff, remove that spare and clean it. And I don't see any tools, of course, with this car. I don't know if the jack is in here. I guess I'll have to figure out how to get that open and see if the jack is in there and go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, I got the driver's side done, and I did not end up removing this because these pop clips that are in there, I can tell that they've never been out and they're going to be super brittle. So I will wait till I have some more of those because I know they're going to break off. But anyway, I did get it all cleaned, and this I think it's a sound mat or whatever, is just kind of stained. But that included over there. I'm going to start on this side. You can tell it's pretty nasty. I think that nut for the jack location seems to be fused or something. Anyway, I'll figure it out, and I'm going to clean it. Then I'll probably spray it with some WD-40 and let it sit. All right, the trunk compartment's about as clean as I'm going to get it. I definitely still need to remove these panels and clean behind there. But like I said, I sprayed some PB Blaster on that fastener for the jack storage, so I'm hoping I can get that off. If not, I'll just have to kind of probably remove everything and then try to get it off from the back side. I'm not exactly sure how it's held on there, but I do think that it's rusted closed because water's been getting in the trunk. Although no rust, and I found no standing water in there, but the seal was off the car for who knows how long, so every time it rained, water would leak in there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this spare tire. It's a full-size spare. You can see it looks new. I don't know what the date code is. It's a cheap tire, but anyway, it's good for a spare. Moving on to the interior, I'm gonna give everything a semi-quick wipe down. Then I'll have to go back with a toothbrush and kind of get in all the cracks and crevices, but for right now I just want to get the layer of dust off and everything like that. So plenty of time to do this, but I just want to get it kind of clean. For right now, I'll go into further detail a little bit later. Seats are going to get shampooed, so is the carpet. Oh, the carpet's in really good shape. Actually not visibly worn anywhere that I can see. I've worked my way over to the driver's side here. This door panel's kind of beyond repair with the delamination that's going on right there. Not going to worry about that right now, but at least it's cleaner. The dash itself is a lot cleaner, although I'm going to have to keep scrubbing it. I think it's been neglected for so long that it just needs several scrubbings. Anyway, time to move on to my favorite part, and which is the steering wheel. This is completely disgusting. So I wanted to show a before, and then I'll show an after. And stuff like this is all just nasty and grimy. So I'm going to spray it with the scrubbing bubbles and a toothbrush and a rag. Stay tuned. Bad when the white scrubbing bubbles turn brown. So it's only been on there for about 20 seconds and it's already starting to do its job. Definitely needs some scrubbing. All right, well, clean the wheel 3 times. It's still a little wet. This is about as good as I'm going to get it for tonight. It's a lot cleaner. It was pretty nasty. But you can see it's still got some dirt. And it's got some sun damage on the top. So it kind of is what it is. But I think I'm going to be pretty much done for tonight. And anyway, pick this up again probably tomorrow, maybe later if I'm feeling up to it, but a lot better. At least it's bearable inside. So I suppose that'll do it for this video. I still haven't touched the back seat, which I'll get to in the next video, but that'll do it for now. I guess it's okay for a $190 car. So let me know if you have any questions. Leave your comments below. And as always, catch you on the flip side. All right, another day. Getting ready to start on the back. Carpet's pretty dirty right there. It looks like there was some standing water in there at one point. But strangely not on the other side. So who knows, maybe something just spilled there, but back seats are definitely pretty dirty. And the foam underneath, I'm gonna steam everything, hoping that it'll maybe rejuvenate the foam a little bit, but there's not much plastic back here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down. Wipe down that, there's a carpet up there. You can see it's really dusty. Nasty. So that's what I'll do. I folded down the back seat and it's not as bad as I was expecting, but I'm gonna give this a little better vacuum job. This fabric piece up here is pretty much shot. It's very rotten, but fortunately that would be very easy to, you know, rewrap and then paint it to match, which I would probably end up doing with, you know, all of this is supposed to be black. It's all really, really dirty. You can see, but I'm gonna clean it, not today, but I'll get there. Right now I'm gonna finish vacuuming out the back. All right, and we fast forward, and here's where we are at the car. Inside the car is all clean. I haven't done anything with it since I cleaned the inside. Got it here in the barn, where it's staying relatively clean. But aside from a little dust, everything looks pretty good. I mean, as good as it can look, I guess. Still, you know, sun faded up there, you can see. But that's pretty much how it's gonna stay for a while. Next, I would be turning my attention to the mechanicals, getting this thing running. The carburetors, from what I know, definitely need to be rebuilt. And then go on to some maintenance and whatnot. But for right now, that's about all it's gonna get. I want to finish the Miata really before I finish this. I did get an exhaust finisher. But that's pretty much it. A couple new pieces I need to install. The turn signal stock, multi-function switch. I think the headlight switch is bad, and I was able to find that on eBay for almost nothing. Brand new old stock. So couldn't pass that up. New keychain. And that's pretty much it. So I guess until next time, that'll do it for the '84 Prelude, until I turn my attention to getting this thing to run. Then really putting it back together. So I guess that'll do it for now. Let me know if you have any questions, any comments. Let me know what you think. Till next time, catch you on the flip side.
Oh, come on, damn it! Oh, that sounds good.